Imagine this. You've just crushed an intense workout. Your heart's racing, your muscles are burning, and you feel unstoppable. But here's the twist. What you do in the next hour could either supercharge your progress or hold you back. Most people focus only on the workout and forget about recovery, the secret weapon to better performance. Today, we're diving into the best post-workout recovery tips that'll transform the way you feel and perform. Did you know that muscles don't grow during the workout? They grow after you recover. Crazy, right? Let's make sure you're getting the most out of your hard work. Let's start with the simplest but most overlooked step, hydration. After a workout, your body loses fluids and electrolytes through sweat. If you don't replace them, you're not just dehydrated. You're slowing down your recovery. Think of it like trying to drive a car on an empty tank. It just doesn't work. Ever felt that lingering headache or tiredness after a workout? That's your body's way of begging for water. And no, chugging coffee or energy drinks doesn't count. Drink at least 16 to 24 ounces of water right after your workout. If your session was extra intense, add an electrolyte drink to restore lost minerals. Carry a water bottle everywhere as a reminder. Hydration isn't optional, it's essential. Next up, food. Your workout burns energy and creates tiny tears in your muscles. This isn't a bad thing. It's how you grow stronger. But here's the catch. Your body needs the right fuel to repair and rebuild. Now picture this. You skip your post-workout. An hour later, you're ravenous, reaching for chips or whatever's convenient. Sound familiar? Without proper nutrition, your body can't recover properly, and you'll feel drained the next day. Within 30 to 60 minutes after working out, have a snack or meal with protein and carbs. Protein rebuilds muscle, while carbs restore energy. Think grilled chicken and rice, a protein shake with fruit, or even a bowl of oatmeal with nuts. Your post-workout meal is like pressing reset on your muscles. And speaking of resetting, there's one step most people skip that could completely change your recovery routine. Let's talk about stretching. Yes, the thing we all know we should do but often ignore. After a workout, your muscles are tight and full of lactic acid. Stretching helps release that tension, prevents soreness, and improves flexibility. But here's the kicker. It also boosts blood flow, delivering nutrients to your muscles faster. Ever woken up the morning after a workout feeling like a robot that can barely move? That's what happens when you skip stretching. Take 5 to 10 minutes to stretch right after your session. Focus on the muscles you work. For example, if it was leg day, stretch your quads, hamstrings, and calves. Not only will this speed up recovery, but it'll also improve your range of motion for your next workout. Quick tip, don't stretch like you're rushing to catch a bus. Slow and steady wins the race here. Here's a myth we need to bust. Rest is not laziness. In fact, rest is where all the magic happens. When you rest, your body repairs muscle tissue, strengthens bones, and even restores your immune system. It's like charging your phone. You wouldn't start the day at 10%, right? But here's the problem. In today's hustle culture, we feel guilty for taking a day off. We push harder and harder, ignoring the warning signs of overtraining, fatigue, injuries, and even burnout. Listen to your body. Take at least one full rest day a week. And on those days, do something light, like yoga, walking, or meditation. Recovery isn't just physical, it's mental too. Rest isn't the enemy, it's your best friend in disguise. And if you think rest is important, wait until you hear about the recovery tool we all use, but often overlook. Let's talk about sleep, the ultimate recovery hack. While you sleep, your body produces growth hormones that repair muscles and rebuild energy slowly. It's literally when your body does its best work. But here's the problem. Most of us don't get enough sleep. Whether it's binge watching shows, scrolling through social media, or staying up late to work, we rob ourselves of the recovery we need. Without enough sleep, even the best workouts won't give you the results you want. Set a sleep schedule. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. Create a calming bedtime routine. Dim the lights, avoid screens, and wind down with a book or meditation. Think of sleep as your secret weapon for fitness success. And hey, if you need an excuse to nap, just call it recovery optimization. So there you have it. Hydration, nutrition, stretching, rest, and sleep. 5 simple but powerful tips to level up your recovery. Remember, what you do outside the gym is just as important as what you do inside it. You've already done the hard part, showing up and putting in the work. Now it's time to let your body thrive, because when you recover better, you perform better. Ready for more tips to transform your health? Watch my next video, 5 simple habits to improve your health today. It's packed with practical steps you can start using right now. Click on it and I'll see you there.